come and see a good elder law attorney because we have lots of options to offer. First of all, we would go through the scenario with you. What is wrong with your husband? Is this a dementia issue? Is he physically incapacitated? How old is he? What resources do you have? What is the income? And what kinds of help do you need at home? Try to figure out where we can draw on the resources. We would look at whether or not this is a veteran, or if the wife is a veteran, is he a spouse of a veteran? If he is, does he get a disability check from the Veterans Administration? We would also look at the aid and attendant benefit through the Veterans Administration. If we can't look to veterans benefits, or if it's not enough, we would look to the Medicaid programs. There are two of them that help people who are still living at home. One is called the Home-Based Waiver Program, and we would look at the PACE program. If that is not enough, then we would look at what other care needs he has to see if a memory care unit is appropriate, or an assisted living, or if he needs to go into skilled nursing. We like to base our decisions and our planning on what the person needs rather than, how much money we can save, although we have an eye toward that as well.
Well, I encourage you to consult a Medicaid planning attorney, somebody who knows the rules and regulations of Medicaid. That's very important, and how they relate to estate planning. As the law is written right now, if somebody is a long-term care Medicaid recipient and they pass away, Medicaid can make a claim against their probate estate. So if anything is opened in the probate court for the person who passed away, Medicaid can make a claim against their estate for the amount of money that Medicaid paid on their behalf. If they do not have an estate that goes through the probate court system, then Medicaid cannot make a claim. So there are planning tools that Michigan has in order to bypass the probate estate administration and therefore preclude Medicaid from being able to make a claim against their estate. And this would include their home. When you apply for Medicaid, one of the questions on the application is, have you gifted in the last 60 months? So if you have gifted in the last 60 months, then you will be penalized and it could preclude you from eligibility for Medicaid. There are ways that we can help fix that if you have gifted. However, what we would suggest is that you should go see a Medicaid planning attorney so they can take a look at your full picture, because sometimes it's not that straightforward, and a plan can be made to assist you to preserve some of your estate.